It has been a minute since I did a video on Spritz Finance. I know I started doing them back February, March, Aprilish when I did the interview with the CEO, and they have come full circle now. Because when we first got it, all we had was the on ramp. We got the off ramp. Then we got the Spritz card. Now we have the mobile app, and now we have, lo and behold, the on ramp. So now we can get our money and get crypto and bring, into your wallet. Let's engage. So of course, like I stated, you can see as far back. I think this is video number. I think this might be video number 9. This is video number 9 in the Spritz series, in the D.S.A, which is the DApp sites and apps series. So as you can see up here is when I did the interview with Mr. Chris Sheehan, which is the CEO and founder of Spritz. Then there goes the Spritz card. There was a Q&A with the Visa and the Spritz card. Then some updated info here. And then, of course, the best one, the most popular one was be your own bank or become your own bank. There's no middleman anymore. You can pay your bills straight from Spritz. Now you can get your funds straight from crypto and go and back and forth. You can go from crypto to fiat and from fiat to crypto. All right. The mobile app. Like I said, I can't show you much of the mobile app because it shows all of your information in there. And then the only thing I could do is like a screen record. But you can get the mobile app in the App Store for Apple and Google Play for all of us Android folks. Like it says here, you can still pay your bills, pay yourself. You can pay anyone, send crypto anywhere with the card because it's connected to the regular account. Off ramp in one easy step. Earn your way, pay your way, and keep your funds safe. Matter of fact, I'm just going to take a peek while I got you here and see if I can on ramp payments, accounts, Spritz card, and more. If I can on ramp from the app, payments, accounts. I don't know if I can do it from the app. Oh, so I see top up. Well, maybe top up. Yeah, I guess if you top up and see, I don't do anything really on my phone with my crypto. I don't trust the phone. So that's what's going on with the mobile app. The on ramp, like I said here, is now lets us, the US users, purchase USDC on ETH, Polygon, and the Avalanche networks. Right now, you know how more will come. They'll probably bring BNB on and all the rest of the blockchains, especially Base. Especially the fact as big as Coinbase is with their Base chain, I'm sure that's going to come. I'll have to reach out to the team and try and get an answer on that. But it's a seamless gateway between fiat and crypto. Now we can go crypto to fiat. Sorry for those in Florida, New York, Louisiana, and Alaska, but the other 46 states, you're on. Canada, you're probably next. So what we're going to do, let's go take a little video. Let's go take a tour and see what's been going on with Spritz over the last couple of months. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go over the Spritz blog, and we're going to do some reviewing. It's been a while since I've done a video on Spritz. The devs have been deving. Exactly the way to put it. All right, so here's some of the latest. Now, of course, Canada was able to be added to the list. The mobile app revamped rewards. So as we scroll down here, the rapid payments have come in. I'm just going to open this in another browser and we'll pop back in there after it loads. Unveiling the Spritz referral rewards. So we're going to pop that in another window. Make sure that's ready. So now, first thing is the mobile app. We just saw a little bit of the slides there. I can't really pull it up on the phone because I have to do a screen capture or screen record, and you have to put your social. I mean, not the social, but it's just all your personal information is right there, readily available. So it really can't do it. But the mobile app is there. It works great. Yeah, I tell you, they have been on it. So the mobile app, of course, like I said, Spritz is in Canada. And they can off ramp, introducing USDT and USDC for those Tron folks out there. Dash been added. So I'm just going over the latest things. And of course, now accepting Bitcoin, make your bill payments off ramp or use Bitcoin in the real world with Spritz. Okay, so those are the latest thing from the Spritz blog. Now, the rapid payments, because I know some folks said sometimes, I haven't never had a slow issue with Spritz, but some people have. So what they have done, they've introduced the rapid payments with Spritz. So with the rapid payment features, your ticket to keeping your on-chain lifestyle, even in your off-chain finances. So with this feature, you can supercharge your off-ramp payments to U.S. bank accounts with two options. You can do ACH for those who like speedy but steady, or you can do rapid payments, which is lightning fast delivery to your bank account within the hour. Do you overstand? Spritz is on it. Now, is your bank account eligible for rapid? So then they give you the list of the banks here. So you have to go through and check your bank. I haven't set it up. I didn't, like I said, I never had a problem with it, but I guess I'm going to go ahead and try it and see if they're and see and many more. Check out the full list here. So yeah, so you got the banks here, then you got the full list here. And then there's any additional features. Now, using the rapid payment comes with a 1% fee on top of the regular Spritz fee. So please understand that. So that's what's going on with the rapid. Like I said, I'm going to connect it and see. Like I said, I never had an issue with them getting my payments there. Now, the rewards program. So the difference with the rewards program now, they have different levels. Tiers. You have the tourist tier, ideal for the crypto beginners, which is for the referee. If they make a transaction $100 within the first 30 days, they get $25 cash back. And then for the referrer, they get a $25 cash back within the first 30 days as well. Then you got the local tier for the regulars in the cryptoverse. For the referee, if they do 2,000 in transactions in the first 30 days, they get $40, and then the referrer gets $40. Then, of course, the premium experience, the VIP tier, maximize rewards with our premium tier by introducing fellow crypto heads. The VIP tiers for the crypto legends, for the there goes the word, for the crypto legends. For the referee, achieve 20,000 in transaction within the first 30 days and get a whopping 25% fee revenue share. Man. And the same thing for the referrer with the 25% commission. Then there's the referral club. I'm not going to go into it because it's a lot. But so with the referral club, share more, earn more. Consistent referrals bring in even better perks. You got the affiliate club on board, 30 new tourists, over 100,000, you get 5%. And then the elite affiliate club, 100 new tourists, a $500,000, and you grab a 15% bonus. So there's a lot going on. So this is something new as well. You definitely got to be connected. If you're in the States, you definitely need to be connected. If you're in Canada, you definitely need to be connected with Spritz. This is why I've been talking about it since April when we first got it. Okay, that's so over here. Now, what happened was Sabrina, one of the lady legends, put this in our Telegram. She's like, they got the Spritz on ramp is here. So I went and checked my email, of course, and here it is. So with the Spritz on ramp, you saw some of the pointers there in the presentation, but now we have the opportunity to use or purchase USDC on ETH, Polygon, and Avalanche networks right now. It's crazy. So the on ramp is here for the 46 states. I can't say nothing about Florida, New York, Louisiana, and Alaska. I guess they're opposed to crypto. I don't know. But as you can see here on my account, it's right here, buy crypto. And the address book is new too. So I tell you, there's been so much new stuff. It's crazy. See, then the bridge here, accept it. Thank you for saying. Oh, see, I can't do it online because then I have to put all the information on there. But you can now get the USDC. All right, legend. So that's that. And like I said, so on with the on ramp. Any other pointers in here? So like I said, right now it's only available for USDC on ETH, Polygon, and Avalanche. So all of us on base, which runs on ETH, ha ha ha. Now you move that money around. That's good. Now, of course, I'm sure between now and the bull run, they're going to get it on BNB. What else do we use a lot? Tron. Jeez. It's a lot of them out there. So we'll see. And then it goes down here and it does give you a brief explanation of how to use it, how to use the on ramp. It's like see the video's even moving. Click it, accept it like I just did. Then they tell you what would you like to do. Buy crypto, accept. See, it's just that simple. See, there it goes right there into your social. This regulatory feature helps you keep us safe and is required before you can purchase crypto through Spritz. But don't worry, your security is our priority and we've got it locked down. We know they have the mixer. If you don't know what the mixer is, you need to watch my previous videos. Then click new crypto purchase to get started. Then enter your wallet address where you want it to go to. Make sure it's the right one for your network, and you're almost there. Enter the amount and select your network. Then pick between an ACH or wire transfer before completing the purchase. Once you've made your choice and hit confirm, the Spritz on-ramp swings into action, initiating a transfer from your bank and sending crypto to your wallet in seconds. The Spritz on-ramp is all about refreshing the gateway between crypto and the real world. We're extremely excited to release this new feature and hope that you will be supercharged your next moves. Spritz, you did it again. Man, that's crazy. Hey, I got to give it to them. It's the best. We haven't seen. We already were happy with the off ramp, to be able to pay our bills with the off ramp. As you can see here, if I wanted to pay my bills, I could pay my bills. I could pay my Chase card. I could pay my American Express card. I can go here, click pay with crypto, and pay my card. This is what I'm talking about. So we were already happy. Now it has come to full fruition with on ramp and off ramp. All right, so that's going to do it for right now. Let's go back to the presentation. And if you don't have your Spritz card, the referral link is in the description. You need to get on it. And as you can see here, it's available in the Apple Store. What is it called? You download from the App Store, or you can get it on Google Play. All right, let's go back. All right, so now we're back. Now, like you said, like I said, I had the video done, which was about being your own bank. And like I said, as you can see, you can literally become your own bank. And I just want to always present different options to the legends. Now, what you choose to do should always be what's best for you, your family, and your family's finances, like I say, because it's an individual endeavor. But whatever you decide to do, just do your research and prepare the best you can. And, just because we know everything that's going on with the Fed and SEC, it's a lot. So always do what's best for you, your family, and your family's finances. So it's like I said, it's all about options, always. And as always, this is for informational and educational purposes only. This is never intended as any type of financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm just providing pure edutainment. I'm always going to do whatever's best for the legends to ensure that you always stay in the know. And again, special shout out to Sabrina, Lady Legend. Thank you for posting it in there, because today's been a hectic day with what's been going on. But like I say, we're all family. We're all in this together. And this type of information is critical in this day and age. So like I said, if you don't have your Spritz account set up, you can see it here at the bottom. The link will be in the description. And as always, I'll ask you that you please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to all of the legends, engage.